Okay, so if nagawa kong i-play ito, sigurado may available time pa, and gusto ko na makita ninyo kung paano malaman din, okay, kung paano malaman kung ang ganitong klaseng function, rational function, is continuous or differentiable at a number. Okay? Again, to determine if a function is continuous, these three rule or conditions ay dapat masatisfy. F of c exists, the limit of the function as x approaches c exists. In number 3, the limit of the function as x approaches c equals f of c. Okay? So dapat masatisfy yan for we to verify if a function is continuous at a number or not. So, number 1. Okay, this function, dapat alamin kung continuous dito. So, number 1, i-determine natin kung si f of 4 ay nag-exist. Okay? So, by substitution, this will become 4 minus 4. This is equal to 1 over 0. Okay, f of 4 is undefined. Therefore, do not exist. Okay? Do not exist. Ang function natin ay do not exist. Since the first condition ay failed, hindi na natin ito iti-test. Okay? Automatic that the function f of x equals 1 over x minus 4 is not continuous. It's not continuous at x equals 4. Agad. Okay? But we need to determine pa kung differentiable siya at x equals 4. Okay? Because there are instances that are, or it might happen that a not continuous function is still differentiable at x equals 4. So, we have to determine it pa kung differentiable yung function na to at x equals 4 or not. Okay? So, again, to determine if a function is differentiable at a number, first, ang kailangan gawin ay find its derivative. Find its derivative. And second, evaluate the derivative at the number. At the number or x equals 4 on our example 4. Okay? So, ang dinedetermine natin if the function that we want to know if it is differentiable at a number or not is this function 1 over x minus 4. Okay? If this is differentiable at x equals 4. So, number 1. Okay? Finding the derivative of the function. Limit of f of delta of x plus x minus f of x all over delta of x. As delta of x approaches 0. So, f of delta of x plus x is equal to 1 divided by delta of x plus x minus 4, and our function is 1 over x minus delta of x. Okay? All over delta of x. So delta of x approaches 0. Looking at this expression, hindi pa pwedeng i-apply ang direct substitution because kung i-apply natin, magkakaroon tayo ng 0 sa denominator. So, what we need to do is to transform the numerator. Okay? So, and actually we can do this method. The 1 over 3 plus 1 half is equal to 6. Denominator na 6, common LCD. This is 2. This is 3. Okay? Okay, so we can use this concept. Okay, so multiply the, okay, so limit of this one will become delta of x plus x minus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, and the numerator of this will become x minus 4, and this one will become delta of x plus x minus 4. Okay, all over delta of x as delta of x approaches 0. Okay, looking at this expression, you can further simplify it. Minus, okay, so the operation is subtraction, so this addition is minus or subtraction. Okay, so looking at this expression, so we can simplify this one by distributing this negative 1 or the negative 1 into this quantity. So at the numerator we will be having negative delta of x minus x plus 4 divided by the product of delta of x plus x minus 4 and x minus 4, all divided by the delta of x. Okay, so looking at this fraction at its numerator, we can simplify the common terms. Okay, so this is 0 and these terms are 0. Okay, so that expression will become negative delta of x divided by delta of x plus x minus 4 times x minus 4 all over delta of x. Again, okay, let me complete this one. So this form is similar into this form. Okay, and this is also equal into this situation divided by 3, and the rule if we have this problem is this one, multiply to 1/3. Okay, we will multiply it to its reciprocal, so this will become 1/6 then. Okay, so we will use that to further simplify this expression, and this will become negative delta of x. Okay, this one multiply to this product, delta of x times delta of x plus x minus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, as delta of x approaches 0. So looking at this fraction, we can cancel out this common factor, okay, at the numerator and denominator, which is the delta of x. So limit of this expression, okay, we can, after cancelling out this delta of x, the common factor at the numerator and denominator will become the limit of 1 over delta of x plus x minus 4 times x minus 4 as delta of x approaches 0. This is equal to so looking at our expression, we can now apply direct substitution, because if we substitute 0 to delta of x, we will not having a 0 denominator. So by applying direct substitution, this expression will become 0 plus x minus 4 times x minus 4. So this is equal to 1 over x minus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, so this is now the derivative. So we can further simplify this expression by the way into x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, square of a binomial. So this is now the derivative. Now evaluating this at x equals 4. So this will the derivative at x equals 4 will become 1 over 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 16. So this is equal to 1 over 16 minus 32 plus 16. So 16 minus 32 is negative 16. So this is negative 16, and then negative 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. So this expression is 1 over 0. So we have, okay, the derivative of f of x equals 1 over x minus 4 at x equals 4 is undefined. Therefore, okay, Therefore, the function f of x equals square root of x minus 4 is not differentiable. F of x equals 1 over x minus 4 is not differentiable. It's not differentiable at x equals 4. Okay, it's not differentiable at x equals 4.